Hello everybody, in today's video we get to talking about how to add music to Facebook profile. So, before I start the tutorial, please make sure your Facebook app is on the latest version. If not, you may update first at the Play Store or App Store. Okay, let's talk about the tutorial. First step, open your Facebook application on your smartphone. This tutorial can be applied on Facebook Android and Facebook iOS. Second step, go to your profile by clicking the three lines icon at the right corner and click your name. Okay, the result will appear like this. Music that you add to your Facebook profile will appear like this. So, for the example I will delete it first. Okay, third step, scroll down your Facebook profile and find music icon like this, then click on it. Fourth step, click on the plus icon at the right corner to add a music. You can explore or search a music at the search bar. But for the example I just choose the top ranked music by clicking on it. After that, just go back and click the three dot icon at the music, then choose pin music at the profile. Okay, let's see the result. Now you have already add music to your Facebook profile. To play the music, just click on it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if this video is help you. Thank you, see you on the next video.